Sponsoring or promoting content on digital and social media platforms can be a powerful tool in your lead generation strategy. This can be done with a few critical items in place: your defined target audience, your unique value proposition, and a good tool or landing page that gets visitors to take action. The first step in developing sponsored social ads is to get your targeting right. There is great power in targeting that's available through digital advertising, but in order to harness that power, it's important to spend some time thinking about who your audience truly is. The more accurately that you can identify your audience, the more targeted your ads will be, providing you with greater leads that have a much higher potential for conversion. If you're unsure how to position your targeting, just take a quick look at your current customers to define your audience. Next, spend some time developing your assets. You aren't the only one selling your services, so this is where you identify what truly makes you unique. What sets you apart from your competitor, and why should your defined target audience want to work with you? You have limited space through your headlines, descriptions, and graphics to show these reasons, so it is important to have clarity yourself to convey your unique value proposition to your audience. Finally, offer your audience some information or a resource that helps them start to solve their pains. Don't give away the farm, but give them enough to leave them wanting more. Whether through a lead generation form that provides a downloadable resource, or through a landing page with information and a compelling call to action, be sure that what they get is what they were expecting. Your goal is leads for your firm, so be sure that you have a way to gather their information so that you can follow up with them. Keep in mind that sometimes it takes a bit of adjustment to see how your digital and social ads are resonating with your target audience. Agility is the key in developing effective lead generation through sponsored social ads. With some planning and flexibility, you can use digital strategies to drive leads to your firm.